Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Vaughn's account. To sign up for a new Vaughn's account, the first thing you'll need is to visit the Vaughn's website or simply open up the Vaughn's application on your mobile devices. Here I'm going to use a web browser. Simply open up a web browser of your choice and type in vaughn's.com. Doing this will take you to the official website for Vaughn's. From the main homepage, click on the Sign In/Sign Up button at the top right corner. In the pop-up displayed on the screen, in order to create a new account, click on the Create Account button. In the sign up form, you will need to fill in your first name, last name, a phone number, and an email address. Type in all of the credentials needed on the text box. And then, if you want to receive text messages for offers and promotions, check on this first box over here. If you don't want to do that, you can simply leave the box unchecked. Also, if you want to receive emails and offers, surveys and special promotions, you can also subscribe to email by checking on the email option. You can leave out the boxes if you don't want to receive them, and finally click Continue. Once you click Continue on the next page, you will need to verify your phone number. Enter the verification code sent to your phone number via SMS, and then you will be able to sign up for Vaughn's. Once you are done creating an account for yourself, you can then shop online and get groceries delivered or ready for pickup from the platform, save money with coupons and deals, earn and redeem rewards, manage your prescriptions, and view past orders. So that is how you will be able to sign up for a Vaughn's account, which will now be able to help you save money and time on your grocery shopping. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.